6. In this video, I'll show you how to add a tax rate in Stripe. First, log into your Stripe dashboard and open your account. Next, go to the product catalog and select tax rates. Now, click Create Tax Rate to add a new rate. After that, enter a clear display name such as Sales Tax and enter the applicable percentage. Next, choose the appropriate tax behavior and select the jurisdiction or country if Stripe asks for this information. Now, review whether the tax rate should be inclusive or exclusive of the price. After that, click Create Tax Rate to save it. Next, you can select this tax rate when setting up products, prices, invoices, or checkout payments, depending on your Stripe configuration. Finally, test a payment or checkout session to make sure the correct tax rate is being applied. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to add a tax rate in Stripe. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.